I'm really excited to show you this super 2-bedroom townhouse in the very charming Los Naranjos Country Club. So you enter into the house, you have the hallway, the stairway up to your left, and it opens to this beautiful open plan space, living and dining area with open plan kitchen. Kitchen's a nice quality, fully fitted, and a nice granite work surface. Got lots of natural light coming in here through the terrace, and if we go out here, got this lovely private terrace, which is really not overlooked at all. South orientation, overlooking one of the 2 pools of this fabulous community. So let's go back through the house and let's look at the bedroom areas. Downstairs we have a guest cloakroom and an underfloor cupboard, useful for storage and putting things away. So here we have the master bedroom on the first floor. You've got a lovely private terrace, plenty of space there for sunbathing, sun lounging, and a super spacious bedroom, very bright, with a dressing area and an ensuite bathroom. The bedrooms have air conditioning, obviously controlled for each room. So here we are on the second floor, and you've got another really good sized bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom and terrace. Have air conditioning, nice shower room through there. And then you have a terrace, fabulous views of La Concha. And then an additional large terrace area down here, which could be used for working out or just some storage. Thank you for watching this property walkthrough with Lion Trust. Should you have any questions about the property or would like to arrange a viewing, please do contact us via the channels to the right, and we'd be delighted to be of assistance to you.